Oh, hi everyone. I'm having hot coffee. It's so good, it's so tasty, you are going to love it. This is what we are going to make today in my kitchen. Hi, this is Fariha and you are watching Faro in the Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. In this clip, I was explaining that I prefer thick version of hot chocolate. I do not like the thin hot chocolate. So in order to make my hot chocolate thick, I do not use corn flour. I use something different. I use a special ingredient and which you will find in my recipe. So let's watch. Heat 1 cup milk in a pan at medium heat. Once it starts simmering, slow down the heat and add a slab of chocolate into it. Keep stirring the chocolate while it's melting. This process will take around 10 to 12 minutes. Once the chocolate is melted, add the remaining amount of the milk. In a bowl, put 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder, add milk little by little to form thick paste-like consistency. Turn off the flame. Now add cocoa powder paste mixture into the milk mixture while continuously stirring the milk mixture. Stir the mixture to avoid any lumps. Turn on the flame and continue cooking for another 10 minutes while continuously stirring. Add 1 tablespoon and a little bit more of coffee to enhance the taste of the hot chocolate. Add sweet condensed milk little by little into the chocolate mixture while continuously stirring the mixture. Stir and cook the hot chocolate at medium heat for another 10 to 15 minutes. You will notice that the chocolate becomes more thick and starts changing its color. Take a little amount of hot chocolate in a bowl. Cool it for 30 seconds to 1 minute at room temperature. Now add dairy cream in the chocolate mixture while continuously stirring. Now turn off the flame and cool the hot chocolate a little bit for around 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the cream mixture into the chocolate mixture while continuously stirring. It will make the texture of your hot chocolate silky and smooth. Once you are done mixing the cream, turn on the flame, and as soon as the hot chocolate starts simmering, turn off the flame and serve hot. Our thick hot chocolate is ready.